USB Wi-Fi adapter. Upgrade your Wi-Fi speeds up to 150 megabits per second for lag-free video streaming and internet calls. Stronger Wi-Fi coverage. 2. 4 GHz band Wi-Fi covers your house everywhere. Mini design. Allows you to plug it in and forget it is even there. Wireless modes ad hoc, infrastructure mode. Wireless security supports 64/128 WEP, WPA, WPA2, WPA-PSK, WPA2-PSK, TKIP, AES. Supports IEEE 802. 1x. Industry-leading support. 2-year and free 24/7 technical support. Compatibility. Compatible with Windows XP 7, 8/8. The 10th of January 11, Mac OS 10. 9 to 10. 15, Linux kernel 2. 6.18 to 4. 4.3. Driver installation may be required. Please go to TP-Link website for the latest driver for your operating system. Please note that WN725N is 2.4 GHz only and does not support 5G. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for desktop. We got this to use on an old PC that didn't have Wi-Fi capability. We were able to connect to the internet and upload family pictures that were on the computer to the cloud. Perfect. Perfectly simple. This does exactly what I needed it for. Nothing special, nothing super fast, just compact and eliminated a cable from running across my room. Auto-installed the drives and it took right off.